been a tough week for the US market. Investors are showing signs of fatigue. Imagine you're the head of market risk in an investment bank. With a tremendous amount of news presented in the global financial landscape every millisecond, are you confident that you can go through each and every piece of news article without fail, while extracting the key information to help your company make trading decisions, especially in these difficult times? That is how our FYP comes into play. Simply put, it is a web application that generates financial news summary to help market risk team to quickly evaluate the market, explore trends, and view sentiment analysis insights. Our web app has a user-friendly and intuitive dashboard which you can easily navigate between features. Start creating financial digests by clicking on New Session and name it as Hong Kong. Now we can add news articles to this session. You can choose articles from the database connected to MongoDB on the left, or from the recommended news on the right, arranged according to the article's absolute sentiment scores. These articles are fetched from SCMP through our scheduled web scraping Python script, which extracts attributes such as title, article body, and summary points using HTML tags and metadata. The crux of our system is the abstractive summarization model, which is produced from the state-of-the-art Pegasus model originally pre-trained with CNN and Daily Mail news data. It has been customized to perform market news summarization after fine-tuning with our SCMP news dataset, trained to recover hidden sentences from its input source text. In this process, the model acquires language and facts from its input sentence and is therefore able to accept full-length news articles as inputs, then generate a 2-sentence-long summary that provides a general overview of the content. Our web app also supports map view visualization to analyze the current sentiment across countries. With the ongoing political turmoil between Ukraine and Russia at the time of this video, it's not hard to see Russia is in deep red on the map. Click on the country to see its relevant news on the left panel, and we implemented Finbert models to determine the sentiment label, so whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. Also, we provide a calendar heat map and line chart to show the sentiment trends with the daily average sentiment value, and identify the countries by performing named entity recognition with spaCy. You can switch the map view to a tree map view on the right panel according to your preferences. Lastly, we have dedicated a Model Insights tab for our industrial advisors in SocGen to interpret the model behavior from different perspectives. After selecting a news article, you can see a saliency map with some highlighted text in blue to understand which are the important input tokens that influence the produced summary and to what extent. On the left panel, you can check out the top 10 tokens candidates to be chosen as a generated token from layer 0 to 15. We visualize a heat map to show the ranking evolution as well. We can also study neuron activation patterns and use non-negative matrix factorization to see how these neurons focus on the news article based on their activation values, just like how Factor 9 focuses on the later section. Eventually, the Pegasus and Finbert models for news summarization and sentiment analysis are hosted on the NLP platform Hugging Face Hub and directly deployed to Amazon SageMaker using designated libraries. We constructed a REST API on the Amazon API Gateway, where each API request triggers AWS Lambda functions to invoke the SageMaker models. With our system, hopefully our industrial partner SocGen can eliminate the manual reading at 9 AM every day and concentrate their time on developing trading strategies.